Hello, my dear students. Welcome all students to my YouTube channel. Myself, Sri S.K.Suryawanshi sir, KBH Vidyalay, Malegaon Camp, Nasik. Today, we are going to discuss about Maths Part 1st, Chapter number 3rd, Arithmetic Progression. In that, today we are going to solve some examples in practice set 3.1. Now, let's solve the examples in practice set 3.1. Here, question number first. What is the question? Which of the following sequences are arithmetic progression? If they are AP, find the common difference. Now, first, here we have given sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Now here the first term, which is T1, is 2, T2 is 4, T3 is 6, T4 is 8. When we find the common difference, then subtract first term from the second. That means previous term from the next term. Here T2 minus T1 is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Here T3 is next term and T2 is previous term. We subtract the previous term from the next term. T4 minus T3 is equal to 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, 2. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP, that is arithmetic progression. Now, next question. Second, 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2, comma, so on. Now here is also the first term T1, which is equal to 2, T2, 5 upon 2, T3, 3, and T4, 7 upon 2. Now, here we'll find the common difference between the two terms. To find the common difference, we subtract the previous term from the next term. That means T2 minus T1 is equal to 5 upon 2 minus 2. When we calculate this, then 5 minus 4 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2. That means difference between T2 and T1 is 1 upon 2. Similarly, T3 minus T2 is equal to 3 minus 5 upon 2, which is equal to 6 minus 5 upon 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2. As well as T4 minus T3 is equal to 7 upon 2 minus 3, which is equal to 7 minus 6 upon 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Here, when we observe the difference, then the difference is constant. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. That's why we say that the given sequence is an AP. Now third, here the sequence is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. Here the first term T1 is minus 10, T2 is minus 6, T3 minus 2 and T4 is equal to 2 and so on. Now here we'll find the difference between two consecutive terms. T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 6 minus minus 10, which is equal to minus 6 plus 10, which is equal to 4. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 2 minus minus 6 is equal to minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 4. T4 minus T3 is equal to 2 minus minus 2, that means 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. Here is also the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP, that is arithmetic progression. Now next, here we have given the sequence 0.3, 0.33, 0.333, comma, so on. Now here, the first term T1 is equal to 0.3, T2 is equal to 0.33, third term T3 is equal to 0.333, and so on. Now here we'll find the difference. T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.33 minus 0.3, which is equal to 0.03. T3 minus T2 is equal to 0.333 minus 0.33, which is equal to 0.003. Here the difference is not constant. The difference between any two consecutive terms is not constant. Therefore, the given sequence is not an AP, that is arithmetic progression. Now next example, 7th. The sequence is 3, 3 plus root of 2, 3 plus 2 root of 2, 3 plus 3 root of 2, so on. Now solution. Here the first term T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 3 plus root of 2, T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root of 2, T4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root of 2, and so on. Now we'll find the difference between two consecutive terms. T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 plus root of 2 minus 3. The answer is root of 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 3 plus 2 root of 2 minus 3 plus root of 2, which is equal to 3 plus 2 root of 2 minus 3 minus root of 2, that is root of 2. T4 minus T3 is equal to 3 plus 3 root of 2 minus 3 plus 2 root of 2, which is equal to 3 plus 3 root of 2 minus 3 minus 2 root of 2, which is equal to root of 2. Here when we observe, the difference is same. That means the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP, that is arithmetic progression. Now next question, question number 2. Write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. Here first, A is equal to 10, first term is equal to 10, and D, that is common difference, is equal to 5. Now we'll find the terms. First term, which is also denoted by T1, therefore A is equal to T1 is equal to 10. Now we'll find the next term. T2 is equal to T1 plus D, which is equal to 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. T3 is equal to T2 plus D, which is equal to 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. T4 is equal to T3 plus D, is equal to 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Here 10, 15, 20, 25, comma so on is the required AP. Now next, second, the first term A is equal to minus 3, common difference D is equal to 0. Solution, A is equal to T1, which is equal to minus 3. Now T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to minus 3 plus 0, which is equal to minus 3. T3 is equal to T2 plus D, which is equal to minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. That means minus 3, comma minus 3, comma minus 3, comma minus 3, comma dot 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 is the required AP. Now next question. Third, the first term is minus 7 and common difference is 1 upon 2, that is 0.5. Now here A is equal to T1, which is equal to minus 7. T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to minus 7 plus 0.5 is equal to minus 6.5. T3 is equal to T2 plus D is equal to minus 6.5 plus 0.5, which is equal to minus 6. T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to minus 6 plus 0.5, which is equal to minus 5.5. Minus 7 minus 6.5 minus 6 comma minus 5.5 comma dot 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 is the required AP. Now fifth, the first term A is equal to minus 1.25 and common difference is equal to 3. Solution, here A, which is equal to first term, that is T1 is equal to minus 1.25. T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to minus 1.25 plus 3 is equal to 1.75. T3 is equal to T2 plus D is equal to 1.75 plus 3 is equal to 4.75. And T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to 4.75 plus 3, which is equal to 7.75. That means minus 1.25 comma 1.75 comma 4.75 and 7.75 comma dot 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 is the required AP. Now next question, question number 3rd, find the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. Now here we have given the arithmetic progression and we'll find the first term and common difference. 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, comma dot dot dot. Now here A, which is T1 is equal to 5, T2 is equal to 1, T3 is equal to minus 3, T4 is equal to minus 7 and so on. Now difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. D is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus 4. D is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 7 minus minus 3, that is minus 7 plus 3, which is equal to 4. The first term A is equal to 5 and the common difference D is equal to minus 4. Now second, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, dot dot dot. The solution is, here A is equal to T1, which is equal to 0.6, T2 0.9, T3 1.2, T4 1.5, comma dot dot dot. Now we'll find the difference between two consecutive terms. T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.9 minus 0.6, which is equal to 0.3. D is equal to T3 minus T2, which is equal to 1.2 minus 0.9, which is equal to 0.3. D is equal to T4 minus T3, which is equal to 1.5 minus 1.2, which is equal to 0.3. Now here the first term A is equal to 0.6 and the common difference D is equal to 0.3. Now third, 127, 135, 143, 151, dot dot dot. Now here the first term A is equal to T1, which is equal to 127, T2 is equal to 135, T3 is equal to 143, and T4 is equal to 151, dot dot dot, so on. Now we'll find the difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1 is equal to 135 minus 127, which is equal to 8. T3 minus T2 is equal to 143 minus 135 is equal to 8. D is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to 151 minus 143 is equal to 8. The first term A is equal to 127 and the common difference D is equal to 8. Fourth question, the arithmetic progression is given 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 4, dot dot dot. Solution, here A, that is first term, T1 is equal to 1 upon 4, T2 is equal to 3 upon 4, T3 is equal to 5 upon 4, T4 is equal to 7 upon 4, dot dot dot. Now we'll find the difference between two consecutive terms. D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. When we calculate this, 3 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. Now next, D is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4, which is equal to 5 minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. D is equal to T4 minus T3, which is equal to 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4. That means 7 minus 5 upon 4, which is equal to 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. Therefore, the first term A is equal to 1 upon 4 and the common difference D is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay.